Okay, YouTube, we about to do the water fuel separator in a 1999 Freightliner Century class. Simple thing to keep you out of trouble in the wintertime. All right, we got three basic tools you're gonna really need. I'm gonna show you. Right here, you're gonna need this wrench. And if you got the same year truck I got, you're gonna need this wrench right here. You're gonna need a bottle of 911. You can pour that inside the fuel separator, and you also gonna need this filter right here. All right, make sure when you buy this filter it comes with this small gasket right here. All right, you don't really need this big gasket right here, but you do need the small one for the top. All right, make sure you got you some plastic gloves. All right, make sure you have you some eyewear. You don't need the eyewear right here for safety reasons. You don't want nothing to pop in your eye, and that stuff might do burns. So be careful when you do this. All right, small little quick little video. All right, let me put this on real quick. All right, I got those on. Let me put the phone down real quick. Give me a minute here. All right, let me let this sit right here. All right, here we go. Here we go, we back again. Now what you're also gonna need too, one more thing I forgot, you're gonna need some shop towels or paper towels, and you're gonna need a plastic bag. This to catch the old. All right, now you're gonna need a container to catch the old fuel. So let me get all this out right here. That goes there, that goes there. Let's go here. We can leave this for last. Bring all this stuff out. That's definitely gonna need one of these wrenches right here. All right. I'm gonna bring this down here. All right. So let me set this. Let me set this down real quick. Broke that. Forget it. I gotta work too tough. Try to maintain. Definitely gonna need this container right here to catch whatever you gotta catch. All right. I'm gonna go over here. All right, we're gonna change this out right here. So what you wanna do is, you wanna open this right here. Take that, make sure you get that ring out right there. So you come over here, you wanna put it there. Then you wanna go back here, you wanna open this up. Get that up right there. And what you're gonna wanna do is, hold up, let me put this down here. Over there. You're gonna wanna come over here with this and show you something. All right. Gotta go to the truck, bro. So what you wanna do, you wanna put this here. Once that go there, you can set it there real quick. And there's a flap under here, right here. There's a flap there. You want to open that flap up. And you want to drain all of that out. I don't know if you can see right here, the level's going up. You see the levels going up? You want to drain all of that out. All that out. Drain it all out. You might can reuse it if you want to put it back in the tank, but watch the water on the bottom. Alright, you see this going up? You see where it stopped at? I think it stopped right here. That's where it stopped at. So what you want to do is cut it off so it don't drip on the ground. Once you cut it off, that's all you need. You want to get that out of there. If you can, try to rest it on top of this drag link bar here, your steering drag link bar. You can rest it here. Oh boy. Alright, so when you do that, you want to bring it here. You know, you want to put the cap back on it because you have more left in there. So you put this over here. Sit it down somewhere. Now you want to grab this right here. When you grab this, bring the video down here. What you're going to do is you got to take this off right here to get the filter out. You might have to tug on it yourself. Try to fit it in there. Once you get it on, you might want to pull it a little bit towards you, real hard. Hold on, I gotta use both hands. Right back at you. There you go. Okay, back at it. Had to put it down real quick. All right, you see right here? You want to open this up. Just keep turning it so you can open it. You're scared to do it yourself. This will save you a lot of money right here. Roadside come out, you clog this up in the wintertime. And if roadside come out, roadside gonna charge you about $600 to do this. The filter, you can get some of these filters for $14, and you can get some of these filters for $8. So, for $8, $14 filter, and take about 5 minutes to do it yourself, roadside will charge you every bit of $600 to do this little job right here. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them do it. You know, a lot of guys I know that drive trucks, they be spending big money on this one little problem in the wintertime because they don't maintain this. Every day, you actually supposed to, every other day, you're supposed to drain a little bit of water out this. But a lot of guys don't do it. That water get up in your system, and what it does, the water will get up in this line, and the water will get up in this line, and what it does is it'll freeze. And now once these lines get frozen with the water that's in the bottom here, your truck would not start. You're gonna have to put 911 in here. You gotta let it sit for a while. Put 911 in both fuel tanks, let it sit for a while, and that's just too much time consuming. What's gonna do is gonna cost you a day's pay. If you own a truck like I do, it's gonna cost you. All right, so now you just take this bowl and you put the bowl right there, where it's safely out the way. Then you want to come back here. I bent this, but it's flexible. You can put it back down. So what you want to do, you want to come back over here. You see that right there? See that? So what you want to do, let me get my gloves. You see this right here? You see the fuel on top? Don't worry about the fuel on top. What you want to do, you want to shake it because there's still stuff in there. Don't just be so quick to grab it out. Now I'm gonna show you something. You see? See the fuel coming out? There's still fuel in